Hi, this is Gabriel from NutCracker, the ultimate tool for centerlock wheels. In this video, we will talk about centerlock wheel removal and installation. We will compare two most commonly used methods, and we will show you how easy it is to remove and reinstall your wheel using NutCracker. Porsche centerlock wheels must be tightened to 600 Nm and you can't use an impact wrench. The first idea everyone gets is to use long enough torque wrench or breaker bar. As both wheels removal and installation must be done with wheels off the ground, you need a second person holding the brake pedal and steering wheel to avoid potential damage to the car. That makes centerlock wheel removal or installation a two-man job. With NutCracker, all you need to remove the wheel is a small expandable ratchet and a regular torque wrench to tighten the wheel, as we will show you in a minute. Also, instead of the second person, all you need is a basic reverse clamp from your hardware store to apply moderate braking force to the brake pedal. Now let's get the wheel removed and reinstalled. As mentioned, both removal and reinstallation of the wheel must be done with the wheel off the ground. With the centerlock cap removed, attach the centerlock socket to the centerlock nut. You will hear and feel it click in place. Align NutCracker's output shaft with the centerlock socket with the ball dead end on the output shaft in correct position. Attach an appropriately sized ratchet to NutCracker's input shaft and crack the centerlock nut loose. Remove NutCracker and unscrew the centerlock nut with your hand. Before reinstalling the wheel, you need to make sure the contact surfaces are correctly lubed with Castrol Molube Alloy TA paste. Not too little and not too much. Put your wheel in place and screw in centerlock nut with your hand. Continue to tighten until it's hand tight. Attach NutCracker to the centerlock socket and attach your half-inch torque wrench preset to 120 Nm or 89 foot-pounds of torque to the input shaft. Tighten until your torque wrench indicates you have met the torque target by a click. Now proceed as if you were to remove the wheel and release the centerlock nut by 1/6 to 1/4 of a turn. Reattach the torque wrench and tighten the wheel once again. Carefully remove NutCracker from the centerlock socket and then the centerlock socket from the wheel. Make sure the splines of the locking mechanism are aligned with the outer edge. Reattach the cap and you're done. Thank you for watching. You will find all details at nut-cracker.com.